Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do 15-minute full body workout, and for this workout you will need only a chair and an exercise mat. That's about it. We're gonna have 30 seconds of the work, 15 seconds of your rest, and we're gonna do 10 different exercises and in total for 2 rounds. So now get ready, warm up, and I'll see you on the mat. Alright, I hope you did a quick warm up. So now I'm gonna press my timer and we're gonna start with the first exercise, which is gonna be side lunge to knee up and rotation. So side lunge, knee tuck, and you do opposite knee tuck and do a little bit of the rotation in your waist. So it's good for your core. Squeeze your core at the same time. Good. Push your hips back. Good. 2. And last one. Alright, so we're going to repeat this exercise on the other side. Both feet are also facing forward when you do the side step. And don't buckle your feet in. Okay, the rotation on the other side. Down, rotate. Good, this is good for your glutes. This is good for your upper body as well. Abs. Good, and exhale. Alright, so next one, we're going to step on the chair, okay, and we're going to do slow mountain climbers. Okay, just go on the chair and we're going to do 5 reps, and then we're going to step down. Good, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step down, and do a push-up, back up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step down, do a push-up, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, push up. You can also do this exercise on the floor if you don't have a chair and don't want to do it on the chair. Okay, next one is skaters. We're going to jump to one side and the other one. So touch down and jump on one leg. Good. Jump. Abs tight, back is straight. Two, 1. Okay, now we're gonna go for our abs into the star crunch. Spread your legs wide apart. Okay, one hand on the ground, the other one above you. And we're just gonna touch our toes, go all the way down. Lift yourself up with your abs. Two, 1. Okay, we're gonna repeat this exercise on the other side. You can also bend the knee if this is too challenging, but one arm by the side. It's here to help you, to give you a little bit of the support. And we go. So up. And breathe. Good job. All right. Next one, we're gonna do the push-up to shoulder tap. You can also do the push-up from your knees if you want to. So one push-up, one shoulder tap. Okay. Let's go. Shoulder tap. Okay, good job. All right, next one we're gonna have chair hops. You're gonna grab the chair by the side and just gonna hop one side to another. So land softly. Okay, a little bit of cardio. Next one, we're gonna have chair dips, but we're gonna switch with one arm, with one leg, I mean. So, just do the hop and down. Abs engaged, your elbows go to the 90 degrees, shoulders back. Breathe. 3, 2, last one. Okay. And now we're going to do the slow mountain climbers. Go into the plank position. Okay. And we do so slow mountain climbers or detox. Abs engaged. Come on. You can do this. Okay. So round number 2. Side lunge to knee tuck twist. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Booty back. Abs engaged. 2, 1. All right, the other side. Always keep the posture correct. Shake off a little bit. 3, 2, 1, and we go. And knee tuck. Knee tuck. Ready? 2. Last one. All right. Chair slow mountain climbers. And then step down and do a push-up. You can go faster if you want to now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step down. Push up. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push up. All right. Skaters is next one. Go as fast as you can, but with the proper form, of course. And we go. Jump to the side. You can also touch the floor with the back straight. Keep the balance. Okay, one arm crunch, one leg, one arm crunch, however you call it, star crunch. And we go, so up. One. All right, the other side. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1. All right. Next one we have push-ups to shoulder tap. Okay. Let's get ready. Good push-up. Next one, cardio. You can do the chair hops, but if you don't want to, I will show you the exercise you can do instead. Okay, we're just gonna jump in and out. That's basically it. Chair tricep dips. This next one. Take those 15 seconds of rest truly as your recovery, okay? 2, 1, and we go. Last exercise, slow mountain climbers on the chair. And we go. abs engage. You can do this on the floor as well. Okay. All right. Oh, I have sweat in my eyes. Oh. Okay, so this is our 15 minutes full body workout. It's totally suitable for beginners. It's not super intense. If you want to challenge yourself, make sure you use the chair. It will give you a little bit of extra challenge. If not, you can totally do it without the chair. And make sure that you subscribe if you like the video, and also do the stretching, cool down. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon with another workout. Keep safe, keep at home, stay at home, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.
Tell me, do